G'day folks, in this video I'm preparing some parts to go into my small CNC lathe. I'll be using the manual lathe and I'll be facing and turning in reverse and boring in forward. Don't try this at home if you have a screw-on chuck. I'm sure it will not end very well. So let's have a look at what I did. When I've got big holes to drill, I like to use this cast iron block that sits on the top slide. Tool post comes off, this goes on. You can see the grub screw there, that sits on the tang to stop it rotating. It's great. Right, now I've got the hole there. Let's do some turning. Just got to turn this down to 62, mainly to make it round so that it runs nicely when it gets to the CNC. This will clean it up nicely so that it'll go in the soft jaws. Now we face it off to length. One of these blanks was actually a good millimetre over length. Now that means that the CNC would have either run into it while it was still in rapid, or would have ended up taking a cut much deeper than it needed to. So this sorts the blanks out and makes them suitable for use in the CNC. So that was with the lathe in reverse. Now move it over using the DRO to take the cut we need with the bore. That's a 4mm cut, taking 32 out to 40, and that's a Sandvik 1-inch boring bar, nice solid bar. It was made to go with this cast iron block basically. It's on centre with no packing. The finish is pretty terrible, but it doesn't matter. As it says in the caption, the CNC lathe can't see it. Now if you're wondering how I do it without running into the jaws, this is how it happens. I had them ground. I used to do so many of these things I got fed up of making spacers to pack the part out so that I could not run into the jaws, and it's just easier that way. I had a Carriage stop set so that I wouldn't run into anything. And there you can see the clearance that I had from the actual back of the jaw. And there it is, ready in the CNC, ready to start work.